Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the on-party Bluetooth speaker not charging. Power and charging fix guide. Fix 1. Check the power source. Plug the speaker directly into a working wall outlet. Test the outlet by plugging in another device. Avoid using damaged extension cord or power strip during testing. Fix 2. Inspect the charging cable and adapter. Check the charging cable and power adapter for cuts, bent connectors or other visible damage. If possible, try a compatible replacement cable or adapter. Make sure both ends of the cable fit securely into the speaker and the power outlet. Now fix 3. Reconnect the charging cable. Unplug the charging cable from both the speakers and the wall outlet. Wait 30 to 60 seconds and reconnect the cable firmly at both ends and check whether the charging indicator light turns on. Fix 4. Clean the charging port. Disconnect the speaker from power. Inspect the charging port for dust, lint or drips. Carefully clean the port using the compressed air or a soft dry brush. If necessary, use a cotton swab lightly dampened with the isopropyl alcohol. Then allow the port to dry completely before charging. Fix 5. Allow the speaker to cool. If the speaker feels hot, unplug it from the charger and leave it in a cool, well ventilated area for about 15 to 30 minutes. Once it has cooled down, reconnect the charger and check if charging resume. And the fix 6. Contact on customer support. If the speaker still would not charge after completing the steps above, the battery charging port or internal circuits may be require professional service. Contact the on service support or return the speaker to a Walmart if it's still under warranty for repair or replacement options. Goodbye and thanks for watching.